So, hello, electronics and computers first year. बच्चे we are discussing today our last theorem, that is a maximum power transfer theorem. It means कि how we can transfer the maximum power from source to the load. Like this is our diagram. देखिए ज़रा. This is our diagram. Can say this is a source. This is a Vs, इसकी source resistance, and that is RL. That is your output, and this is your input. So we want that if we are connected the source like either side DC or AC, we want the maximum power can be transferred from input to the output. कि हमारी जितनी इनपुट पे पावर है मैक्सिमम पावर हम आउटपुट पे क्या कर सके, ट्रांसफ़र कर सके. तो ऐसा करने के लिए क्या ज़रूरी है, ऐसा करने के लिए हम ये चाहते हैं कि मैक्सिमम पावर विल बी डिलीवर टू द नेटवर्क इफ़ लोड रेजिस्टेंस और इम्पीडेंस इज इक्वल टू द सोर्स इम्पीडेंस और रेजिस्टेंस. मतलब मैक्सिमम पावर can be transferred in that case only if your source resistance should be equal to your load resistance, means RS should be equal to RL. ठीक है. अगर आपकी सोर्स रेजिस्टेंस अगर आपकी लोड रेजिस्टेंस की इक्विवेलेंट होगी तो उस केस में क्या होगा, आपका मैक्सिमम पावर कैन बी ट्रांसफर. दैट मीन्स पावर वुड नॉट बी डिसिपेट ऑन द input end. That means you can be delivered the maximum power from source to the load. So for this for the AC network इसको हम रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं ZL से. ZL is equals to ZS, यानी लोड इम्पीडेंस should be equal to your source impedance. And for the DC network your load resistance should be equal to your source resistance, right? If load resistance or source resistance are not equivalent, then if RS is not equal to your RL, then in this case your power would not be transferred from source to the load, right? Yeah, you can say ZS बराबर your ZL. If it is not equal to, then your maximum power, you can say your maximum power would not be delivered from source to the load. So this is our network what we are solving in the Thevenin theorem also. The same network I am solving here, which you have already solved, where you have opened this AB terminal and you will have applied, your network would be look like this, this one. You have to find out the maximum power in a load. So Thevenin says that in which one terminal, in which one resistance you will have to find out the voltage, you will have to be open that. So you will be open here, open these terminals AB, and this would be look like this. Now this is the same as you have completed it in your Thevenin theorem. So when you will solve all these, so you have opened the terminal, right? If you want to, when you will solve for the RTH, you will have to find out the two things in a Thevenin theorem, RTH and VTH. In a RTH, you will short all these sources, and this diagram will be look like this. This is for the VTH and this is for the RTH. For the RTH, this will be look like this, which I already told you in a Thevenin theorem also. so no need to be considered, no need to be described over here again. Simply you can go back in a Thevenin theorem and you can find out the whole process. The question is similar as I have taken in a last Thevenin theorem. So same you will have, same for the same numerical you will have to find out the power, maximum power. So 4 and 2 are in a parallel over here, so this will be your answer. So it would be like 8/6. So it would be 2 3 ja 6, 2 2 ja 2 4 ja 8. So it would be 4/3 ohm, right? So in a short, if I say like I have to find out the VTH over there. VTH is a open circuit voltage over, because this is the open circuit terminal, open circuit. So you can say open circuit voltage, and this is the name you can be says as VTH. So you will apply one loop here, second loop over here. Again you can write down the equations. So equations would be 30 minus 4, this is a I, this no current will be flow over here because this is an open circuit, then would be total current will be go over here. So 30 volt, that is I1, okay. This is again I1, 30 minus I1, 4 I1 minus 2 I1 minus 20, and that is equal to 0. So this would be your first equation, and again this is your, again can be a different equation, and this is whole process you already done in your Thevenin theorem. So I am simply solving this for a maximum power theorem. So it would be like this, like for maximum power you can say, I told you RL should be equal to RS, and RL is RTH, RL is RTH. यहाँ जो RL है आप उसे क्या लेंगे, ये जो RTH है वो RL के बराबर हो जाएगा, and that is you already find out, that is 4/3 ohm. Then what would be the maximum power theorem, that is P is equals to V square upon R. So V is your VTH square, R is equals to your RL. That would be your formula. Simply P equal to V square TH upon 4RL. That would be your simply formula. तो VTH की जो भी आपकी वैल्यू लास्ट वाली उससे आई है वो आपकी 70/3 वोल्ट के आसपास आई थी. पीछे थ्योरम, पीछे जैसे आप देखेंगे सिंपली सिर्फ आपको उसके अंदर ये पुट करनी है वैल्यू. इट वुड बी लाइक दिस, बस आपको इसके अंदर यू विल हैव टू बी पुट आउट द वैल्यू, दैट्स इट, नथिंग एल्स यू विल हैव टू बी डू. RL वही है आपका RTH जो आपने थेवेनिन रेजिस्टेंस निकाली है अभी, यहाँ से जो निकलेगी आपकी उसकी वैल्यू रख दीजिए, और जो VTH जो इनसे दोनों से VTH जो वैल्यू आएगी वो रख देंगे. तो पिछले वाले में आई थिंक 70/3 आई है इसका स्क्वायर डिवाइड बाय 4, और RL क्या है आपका 4/3. तो आप इसको सॉल्व करोगे आपका आंसर हो जाएगा. ठीक है, तो दैट इज़ ऑल अबाउट योर मैक्सिमम पावर. बहुत इजी है क्योंकि मैंने पहले तीन बहुत अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन की है. ठीक है, तो जब भी आपको मैक्सिमम पावर ट्रांसफर थ्योरम निकालनी है तो फर्स्टली विल अप्लाई द थेवेनिन थ्योरम. थेवेनिन थ्योरम में आप VTH निकालेंगे, RTH निकालेंगे और इस वाले फॉर्मूले में डायरेक्टली पुट कर देंगे. लेकिन उसके लिए कंडीशन होना ज़रूरी है, योर सोर्स रेजिस्टेंस शुड बी इक्वल टू योर RL इन अ DC, और AC में आप कहेंगे ZL बराबर ZTH के. ठीक है, तो अब इसके बाद में इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स का स्टार्ट होगा, कंप्यूटर्स का स्टार्ट होगा आपका प्योर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स. ठीक है, तो उसमें P टाइप और N टाइप सेमीकंडक्टर हम उसमें या पढ़ेंगे. ठीक है, थैंक यू वेरी मच.